All right, this is a miniature, or dwarf, I mean, pomegranate, and I'm planning on taking cuttings. Me and my daughter are. So I'm gonna try to do it the little shoots like this. I don't know if it'll work or not. I'm gonna do like that.
Fish on the wall. That's creepy.
That's
Bob. Bob the tarantula.
That's bigger than Bob.
Oh yeah, Bob was bigger.
That's not big at all. Whew. Can you imagine waking up with that on your face?
It's over the wall.
You're like, they only come after people, kids that don't listen to their parents. So you're okay, right? Very honest. Scooting away from the spider, aren't you?
Sure.
Probably should have used like seed starting mix. This is pretty coarse, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna work.
That's what you used.
I may try a little bit bigger one. Yeah, crazy wildlife running around out here. Just gonna do this over and over again. I'm probably not gonna try to do all of this because I want this to be able to try the fruit. I'll keep one going inside the greenhouse or inside the house or barn or something, because every year they start over again from the root up, and I would like to have it a year or two size and then plant it and see if I can get it to make it through the winter. Oops. Oh, cheer up. It's always a good day to be a puppy dog, even if you fall.
How many times?
1 billion trillion. Because dogs are one of the coolest animals on the planet.
So are cats.
Yeah. I like some cats. I dislike some dogs. So that's how I feel.
Didn't want to bite you one time?
Dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had one bite me, but it wasn't too bad because I saw it coming.
Oh no.
What?
Wiggly.
The one that would have been bad is the one that tried to bite me in the face, but it didn't get me because I put my brim of my hat in its mouth. That's all I had to do because it had me dead to rights. Well, anyway, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some moisture in it and put this little dome on it if I can figure out how to fit it on it. And just keep it moist. Yeah, anyway, keep it a little bit moist and it'll hopefully root. All right, now for the update of my cuttings that I took I'll put the date when I did it. I did it kind of late, if I remember right, in the season. I just put them in these little bitty containers and put a lid over it, kept it moist for a while. It's got some pretty good roots on that one. But they grew over the winter. I let them root some and I took the lid off, and then I've just had them in the garage for the most part, right under a light, and never turned it off, which probably not the greatest thing, but it kept a little bit of warmth because the garage is not heated. I think I took it in when it got really cold. Like it got down to, I believe it was like 10 or maybe somewhere in that area this winter. So I'm gonna go ahead and up-pot these and hopefully they survive. I'm gonna try not to overwater them once I get it done. I took these the same day that I took my mulberry cuttings with my daughter. The video right up here. If you want to see that, somewhere. Trying to give them some room to grow into it. I had my first pomegranate that was ripe off my tree this winter. It actually was winter by the time it was ready, but luckily we hadn't froze yet, so it didn't damage the fruit or anything. But me and my girls and my wife were shocked how good it tasted. So I'm trying to get more pomegranate trees. Problem that I have with it is every time winter comes, it dies down to the roots, but it comes back. So I want to get some more established and see if I can plant it somewhere else as well and try to get it to grow. If not, maybe keep them in pots. Some crazy guy, Mike, is doing that with figs. And I got some figs down here that I've kept in pots because for some reason they die during the winter. I don't know if they're not established or not enough, or our winters are just kind of crazy. They go from 80 degrees down to 10 degrees sometimes in like a day. So that kind of makes it hard on plants. But I know fig trees do last around here because I've seen them. So it may just be the wrong type. All right, anyway, back to potting. All right, let's do this. Oh yeah, it's got some roots. That one there. Oh, cool. That one there. Nothing else in that. This one's bigger. That's cool looking. Nice little root ball on that one. This one's barely living. That one looks nice. Probably end up. That one's actually wrapping around. It's crazy. I don't want to keep it like that. Guess it makes sense that it would. Ah, I ended up getting too many containers. How about that? Sorry. All right, let's get this planted. All I'm doing is digging a little hole, planting it at the same level. They won't take long to pot. I'll probably go ahead and rough these up a little bit. I don't want them to just go around in circles. If it does that, it can end up killing the plant. You may put it in a bigger pot, but if it's already starting to circle, you don't want that to continue. go. This one's actually one of the better ones. This pot's kind of messed up. Go. Like that. There we go. Yeah, I was shocked how much I like the pomegranate. I'm probably gonna put this one in this, and I'm gonna pot this one again. I did this not too long ago. I wonder if the roots have grown any. Yeah, it definitely has. Not like wonderful or anything, but it's definitely increased. There we go. All right, well, these are all up potted. I'm gonna go get some water real quick. Not water them too much. Ooh. By the way, this is like the 22nd or something, or 23rd, I can't remember. So just water this in a little. Get rid of the air gaps that are in the soil. I probably won't water these very much after this for a little while, just to kind of let it dry out a little. All right, well, this is how I'm doing my pomegranates. If it works out, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 new little trees to plant somewhere. I got some of my pepper plants already up potted. I'm gonna make a video of my spicy peppers up potting them. I've been kind of behind, but I'm gonna probably work this up and release it pretty soon. But anyway, I up potted the peppers today too, and I'm just gonna try to get everything ready for the season. I'm gonna try to put out more videos. I want to continue growing my channel and my plants and more of the information that I learned over the years of gardening. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. I'm gonna go make some more cuttings. Bye.